two 2.5-inch strips, sew them together, full width of fabric. So that measures 4.5 inches across, right?
Right.
So put that aside for now. And then you take one 4.5-inch strip. This is background fabric. So it's the same width as your first strip set. Put that down. Put the other strip set, your sewn strips, right sides together with your background. Okay? So now you'll sew a 1/4 inch seam on one side and a 1/4 inch seam on the other side to make a tube. From that tube, which looks a lot like this, you take it to your cutting mat. And in this case, we take our strip tube ruler, it's a Cozy Quilt Design strip tube ruler, take this to our cutting mat, and we find the 5.5-inch mark. We put it on the stitching line, all the way to the edge so that there's fabric underneath. Cut up, cut down to cut out a triangle. The triangle looks a lot like this, right? You cut up, cut down, you pull it away, and you open it up, and there you get your diagonally pieced block. Cool, huh?
Awesome.
Okay, then the next cut, now imagine that's cut away. The next cut is off of your other stitching line. 5.5-inch again, cut up, cut down, cut out a triangle that looks like this, open it up, and now you have another diagonally pieced half square triangle. Notice that the fabrics are in different
Reversed.
arrangements. There's lots you can do with those different arrangements. For example, if you keep going and you have 4 of them, you can make what I've named the Daniela block. And all the fabrics come together like that.
Nice.
Now you can arrange them in different ways, and notice the fabrics are in here. And in this case, we have 2 different background fabrics, and this makes the cover quilt to our book, Strip Tubing, which is full of books, full of quilts that use the strip tube technique.
Awesome.
Can you do it?
I'm going to.
Good.
That's great. Good job. She did good.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to move on and we're going to purchase.
Okay.
Did you get that?
We're going to purchase and move on.